Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to cast the screen of your RedMagic 11 Air smartphone to your smart TV wirelessly. To cast your smartphone screen to your TV, you're gonna need to first make sure that both your smartphone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So go to Settings on your device, go to Wi-Fi, and check if your TV is using the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone. After that, go to Connected Devices and select Smartcast. Allow this feature to use your location while using the app, then record while using the app. And now we are gonna have to check for available devices. So just refresh available devices until you see your TV on this list. And once you see your TV here, tap on it to start casting to it. Then you're gonna have to select what you want to cast, either one separate application or the entire screen of your smartphone. You can also go to settings and adjust settings for wireless casting. Here we can select the quality of the casting, we can select the sound sources, and enable or disable the privacy mode. We can also enable change settings for USB screencasting, and change the sound separation under screencast settings too. Now the scan device feature will allow us to scan the QR code we see on the TV screen in order to connect our smartphone to our TV using the QR code. But for that, we're gonna need to download Smartcast Studio on another device, and this feature is generally used for PCs. So if you want to cast your smartphone to your PC, then you're gonna have to download the respective application. Once again, it is called Smartcast Client, and and after that, just scan the QR code on your PC screen, and you'll be able to start casting the screen of your smartphone. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.